But it looks like it's across the street.
Right, here's like the construction. They're building a new wing. We got Nordstrom. So they're gonna build that right there. They're gonna expand it because that Sears store was abandoned for years already, since 2017 or 2018. As you can see right there. Yeah, there's no cars. Look how empty it is. So, Oliver, we're gonna be in the video. Come over here, Oliver.
I know, dude. I'm in it. It's tiny.
So, I'm gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory bench.
Hell yeah, homie. Hell yeah. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be on public.
Yes, I know.
Okay, you have to be really careful. Oh, over here, look.
Over here.
I feel like the church just, made a separate sidewalk. You can see the construction site over there. They're currently working on it, on the new. Yeah, look, no beers. So that's all abandoned. They took up. It's right there. They're gonna make another wing. You have to wait right here. And there's a Cheesecake Factory.